Let's get to the unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Vanity PM bag. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, and entrepreneurship. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, please think about hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my community. And if you are one of my regular lovies, welcome back to the chat. Please make sure that you hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put out new content. But today, we're going to have some fun. I started No Shop February 1st. So what that is, and I don't even know why I started it this month. It's Black History Month. I should be shopping all things black. I should be shopping all things women of color. But for some reason, I set it up for this month and I don't want to go back on it. So for the whole month of February, I will not be shopping anything that is not an essential, like food and things to help me survive. But I do plan on supporting my black owned businesses next month, because one thing that I've realized is that Black History Month is every month. Like, we should celebrate black businesses every single month. So in April, I'm going to do a video of some of my favorite black brands that I've bought from. I'll also do a video this month as well, because I have a lot of black owned brands that I've shopped from, that I have items from. But in April, I'll do an even more in-depth of black owned brands that I love. But today we are doing a haul. It is not a big haul, but it's a very fun haul. I did my last shopping January 31st. Like, I literally bought my last pair of designer sunglasses on the 31st because I knew all of February I would not be able to shop. So I did pick up some items. I picked up a new bag that I'm super excited about. It's a bag that I've wanted for a little while, and I'm so glad that she's a part of our family. A pair of jeans and sunglasses. But listen, I could literally talk all day. Let's get to the unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Vanity PM bag. That unboxing is not the prettiest unboxing in the world, but I made do with what I had. And this is the Vanity PM in the monogram or canvas leather. You saw it, I brought it close, but I'm going to just bring it a little bit closer and let you guys just see it. I absolutely love this bag. It just is so structured. I am a lover of all things structured. Anything that's going to keep their shape really well, I love in handbags. I'm not a duffel. I'm not a tote bag girl. I am a structured bag girl. And I'm also a mini bag. Like, I don't like bags that are huge because I'm also a petite person. And so I like bags that are just a little bit on the smaller side. This is literally the perfect size. Again, this is the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM It is in that canvas leather, very beautiful. It retails for $2,700. That's without tax. And I absolutely fell in love with it. I actually went into Louis Vuitton to look for a strap for my Alma BB in Epi, and I have an unboxing video of that. I'll link down below. And when I walked in there, they had this bag sitting on the counter. And I was not trying to buy a bag that day. I was already like, hey, my shopping fast is about to start. You know, I'm good for now. And when I saw the bag, I had been wanting to get the bag for a minute, but I was also trying to get it pre-loved. But when I walked in the store and I saw it on that counter, and you know how Louis and these stores, the lighting is perfect. It was like a ray of light was coming from the ceiling, lighting up the bag. And then I had my friends with me, and they were like, girl, put it in your hand. Go up to the mirror. Look at it with your outfit. I mean, they hyped me up. They hyped me up, and I just was like, okay, well, I'm here. The bag is here. Clearly, it's a love story. It was meant to be. So I ended up just grabbing it. And I'm so glad that I did. I love the craftsmanship of the bag. I love that it's canvas. I love that it's structured. It opens right here in the front like a vanity case. And you can see the inside is this beautiful black microfiber material, almost suede-ish. Absolutely love the material on the inside. I have another bag that has the same fiber on the inside as well. As you can see, you have Louis Vuitton right here on the lid. There's only a sleeve. There's only one sleeve right here for you just to stick a credit card in, and then the rest is just an open space. It reminds me of my Cannes bag, and if you don't know what the Cannes bag is, I'll put a picture to the side. It's one of my favorite bags ever. I wore it so much last summer, and this is what the inside of the Cannes bag sort of looks like. Just one open space and then a tiny sleeve. I also love that it comes with crossbody straps. They're not that long, so you're not actually going to be able to like have it hang super low if you're tall. Think about buying other straps to go with it. But for me, since I'm 5 feet, the straps actually hit me at the perfect spot. Again, I'm 5 feet, and this is where they hit me, right here in the middle of my waist. My torso is not that long, so if you are taller, think about getting another strap to go with it. A lot of times people ask me with these smaller bags what fits inside of it, so I just kind of want to show you what actually would fit inside of this bag. Keep in mind it's not that big, so a long wallet probably will not fit into it. Think about maybe a shorter, more compact wallet. A regular size iPhone 10, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, that does fit directly inside of it. There are no compartments, so you can get a bag insert to kind of break up this wide open space that's on the inside of it. Your compact will also fit inside of it. Lip gloss, makeup, it actually fits a lot more than you think it would fit. It's just a wide cavernous area. Again, get a bag insert if you do want to have dividers in between your items that you're putting inside of your bag. A small wallet will also fit inside the bag as well. And even with an iPhone, a wallet, makeup, lipstick, I still have room to fit more things into this bag. So keep in mind, it may seem like a small bag, but it has a lot of space to fit a lot of your items. That is the first thing that I bought. Comment below, let me know how you love this bag. I think out of all my Louis, this is probably going to be one that I wear a lot this year, and one that I love. Again, I've wanted it for a while, and I'm so glad I was able to find it at my Louis Vuitton inside of my sack. I will link these bags pre-loved down below if anybody feels like, I want that bag, but I don't want to pay full price. They are pre-loved sites that do sell the vanity in really, really great condition. The next item that I got that I'm absolutely in love with is my Chanel wallet. I do not own one Chanel bag. It is a travesty. it's a travesty, but I want my first Chanel to be vintage. I want it to be 1980s, 1990s, when they were still gold plate in the hardware, the gold. And so I'm looking for one in really great condition on the pre-loved market. Before I buy any new Chanels, I want the first one to be a vintage Chanel. And my husband got me this wallet, which you saw me put inside the Vanity PM, but I did want to kind of show you what the wallet looks like. And it's a very small wallet when you first look at it, but it opens to be a little bit bigger. So this is it. It came like in the beautiful Chanel box. She is just a cute little wallet. She's a little lady. She's so tiny and petite. When you open her up, she just looks like a really simple, small wallet. This is her. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer and darken it. So this is a wallet, of course, with the quilting that Chanel is known for. It's absolutely gorgeous. You have the little Chanel on the hardware. I love the stitch work on this wallet. I think it's so beautiful, so intricate. The back also has that beautiful, beautiful stitching that I love. Of course, the quilted look, which Chanel is known for. Like, just like that. It opens up just like that. And then you see how much more space that it has. When it's folded, it looks just like a small little wallet, but it does open up to have a lot more space. We have the first compartment right here where you can stick all of your cash money that you have, and then of course the slots for your ID, credit cards, and all of the other paraphernalia that you keep in your wallet. It also opens in the front pouch right here, and this is where I guess you can keep your coins or ID or whatever else you would keep inside of your wallet. But again, it starts out real small, but it has a lot of space once you open it up. And then another little sort of hidden compartment in the front. The next item are a pair of sunglasses that I bought for the summer. I am one of those girls that loves white sunglasses in the summer. I went out with my friends to find a pair of white sunglasses, and one of my really good guy friends was like, no, white sunglasses, they look horrible. Like, they're so played out. And I was like, Gianni. He actually said they look like television. I don't understand that reference. But he was like, no, I had white sunglasses. And I'm like, no, I love white sunglasses. Let me know if you're a white sunglass girl in the summer. I wanted a pair, and I was going to get a pair. The pair I actually wanted was the Loewe Ibiza, but I have not been able to try those pair on because nowhere sells it. And I don't want to buy a pair of sunglasses online and not like it. I'm also one of those people that will forget to return something, and then it will just sit there and it will be a waste of money. So what I wanted to do was get a pair of sunglasses that I could actually try in the store. So I ended up going by Macy's, and I found these beautiful, beautiful Versace sunglasses. Look at that. So gorgeous. I mean, it's just the box, but even the box is cute. She's a cute box. And let's open her right on up. I have lately been so into sunglasses. I'm buying them like crazy. But of course, it's no fast February, so I'm actually excited to not spend money. Like, I'm sick of spending money. The dust bag is pretty simple. I love that the Versace is also like in black, so you can't even really see it on the dust bag. And the sunnies are just gorgeous. They're not simple white sunglasses, which I love simple sunglasses, but then I also love sunglasses that give a little bit of oomph. You know, sunglasses that are like, is this going on a yacht or not? And the answer is yes, I'm going on a yacht. So these are them. They're aviators, but let me bring it closer so that you can see the detail. I love the frame. I love the studs that they've put all around it, all around the edge of the frames. Look how gorgeous that is. This is what sold me on the sunglasses, were these metal studs around the front of it. I love sunnies with a little bit of character. I also love the little bar that they put up top. They're just so cool. When you turn it around to the back, you have the Versace emblem on the back on both sides of the arms of the sunglasses. It's gold and white. and I love that color pairing. So let's try them on. My headband is making it hard, but look at this. Like, look at these sunglasses. They are absolute perfection. They're perfectionist. That's not a word. But look how perfect they are. They have a nose guard, so if you don't have, you know, the Western style nose, it's going to sit really well. My headband is pushing it up, but I absolutely love it. I think they're so cool. Aviators are pretty much great on almost every face shape. I have a more flatter face, so these are very flattering on me. Again, you can see the little emblem, the Versace emblem right here on the side. They're white, they're fun, they're not like super white because the frames are not that pronounced, but the metal studs around the front of it is what sold me. And I love that it's black. You can't see the bags underneath my eyes when I'm wearing this. It'll go with a lot of great things in the summer. It'll pair with dresses. It'll pair with jeans. They're just a great pair of sunglasses. I will link them down below if anybody is feeling like Top Gun-ish, like they want to be Maverick. Was that his name? I've never seen Top Gun, but I know they loved aviators, Ray-Ban aviators on Top Gun. But yeah, what do we think about these? These are just it. I absolutely love it. Out of all the sunglasses that I bought, these are my favorite, and that's why I wanted to show you. I could have shown you all 10, but I wanted to show you the one that I feel like is going to be perfect for spring and for summer. It also came with this strap that you can put around the arm of the sunglasses and have it hang down. I will probably never use this. And the last item that I got were these Agolde asymmetrical button jeans. You've probably seen these jeans every single wear on every single influencer. They've been around for a little bit. I remember wanting them last year. And I remember buying a dupe off of Shein, and so I just decided when I saw them on sale, I decided, hey, let me go ahead and buy it. The ones from Shein were horrible. The buttons broke off the day after I bought them, and so I would not recommend it, but I will link the Agolde ones in the link down below. They were $188, and I got a size 28. When I went online, they said to size down because they run big. I do not recommend that, especially if you have hips, if you have thigh meat, if you have a little bit of a stomach or a pudge. Do not size down. Get your regular size or even size up and get it tailored. I wish I had sized up and then gotten the waist tailored. They do fit really snug on me, and this is a video to the side of me styling the jeans. It's not overly styled. I really want you to see what the denim looks like. They have a whitewash to them. They're not dark denim. They are on the brighter side for the denim. What makes them so popular is that they button asymmetrically, so you can actually see that the button is slanting, or the jean slants to be able to be buttoned. It buttons all the way down. So these are the buttons, and again you can see the buttons are asymmetrical, so it buttons asymmetrically, and so it will look like it's going down. That is what I loved about these jeans, and that's why I wanted them for so long. I bought these from Intermix. It's one of my favorite websites to get designer items. Again, I will link it down below, but these crisscross jeans are so gorgeous. There's so many different ways you can style them, and because they have a lighter wash, it's perfect for spring and for summer. But remember, either size up or get your regular size. These jeans embarrassed me. I thought they were going to be loose and fun. Honey, these thighs were like loose wear. It's going to be unloose. So those are the items that I bought. Again, February is no shopping, so I will not be buying any items this month, but I'm so glad that I was able to get these items in January before my fast started. If you want to be a part of my no fast February, just comment down below, sis, I want to join you in hashtag no shop Feb, and I will send you a DM and we can do this together. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching this video with me. I hope that you saw something that you liked, or you just had a lot of fun laughing along with me. If you are not a part of this channel and you enjoyed the video, think about hitting that subscribe button. And if you're one of my regular lovies, it was so great to chat with you here on Beyonce's Internet. I will see you guys soon. Bye.